How to make salsa de molcajete traditional. This is bold, smoky, and blessed by the Aztec gods. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic sea salt, or any salt you have, freshly ground black pepper, 1 tomatillo charred, 1 ripe tomato charred, a slice of white onion charred, 1 chile serrano or habanero charred, your heat, your rules. Instructions: 1. Start with the garlic in a traditional molcajete, preferably volcanic stone. Crush the garlic until it's nearly invisible. 2. Add seasoning toss and a pinch of sea salt and a bit of black pepper. Grind until well mixed. 3. Time to build the flavor. Roughly chop the charred tomatillo, tomato, onion, and chile. Add them to the molcajete one at a time, grinding each ingredient before adding the next. Take your time. This is where the magic happens. 4. Taste and adjust. Add more salt if needed. Mix everything well until it looks rustic, bold, and irresistible. Serving suggestions. This salsa was made to elevate everything: tortilla chips, quesadillas, grilled meats, tacos, or your morning huevos rancheros. Every bite delivers that deep fire roasted flavor only a molcajete can create. Enjoy.